This is the project cleaner. Meron ba siyang model number? Ayun pala, VCE2 project cleaner. When you're cleaning your records, whether you're starting straight to the using a vacuum, or even if you're using a ultrasonic cleaner, after cleaning with an ultrasonic, you have to really vacuum your plaka. Kasi pag hindi mo vacuum, you just leave it na nakatayong ganun, air dry, ano mangyayari dun sa tubig around the record, di ba? Magpupul yun sa baba. And hindi malinis yung tubig na yun after you clean it with an ultrasonic. May dumi yun na maiwan. Ang mangyayari, magpupul yung dumi dun sa pinaka-edge ng record, sa pinaka-lower part ng So that is why you have to remove all the water around the record. Kasi records that are cleaned, pag tinaas mo siya, minove mo around, yung tubig is still in the grooves. So, pag in-air dry mo siya on one side, yung pinaka-lower part, dun babagsak yung pinaka-dumi. So, kailangan dun talaga, after cleaning, through the ultrasonic, kailangan gamitan mo rin ng vacuum. So, mangyayari, parang ganito. So, we pour the liquid around. Ayan. Yan, okay na. So, ayan. What we do is we evenly distribute the fluid around the record. Ayan. So, parang muna, ganito na rin yun naman yung gagawin ng ng ultrasonic. Pero this time, dito na natin diretso
Pwede natin yung motor para umikot siya.
Yeah, pwede rin. Ganyan. Para ka gano'n ka lang, tamad ka. Di ba? Oh, yan. So, asa na Bel yung yung receptacle? Yan. Okay. So, yun. Tapos, yan. Yun. Okay na. So, ay sorry. Yan. Clean. So the VCE2 is available here at Toyama. So all you have to do is contact Bell, and you can do you can take a look for yourself kung how it looks and how heavy it is.